going to make some kimchi today. So I'm going to try to make some cucumber kimchi, and these are all my ingredients with me. And we are going to try to make some carrots kimchi as well. And let's start making this very delicious kind of kimchi. So just transfer everything here in one bowl. We are now going to add our rice vinegar, brown sugar. If you haven't got any brown sugar, you can always use white sugar, a bit of salt, sesame oil, and our hot pepper paste. So it just depends on how much chili do you want to have in your kimchi. I'm not really like a fan of too chili kind of food, so I'm just gonna put a 1/4 teaspoon and just mix it up all together. And I'm going to transfer it in a container, and I only have a bit of sesame seeds left. So next is we have these spring onions, bottom part, and we need to slice them very thinly. A bowl of water here. We just need to add a bit of vinegar, right, and then we need to soak our spring onions to remove the onion kind of strong flavor of onions. So there you go, just for at least 5 minutes, and there you go. Well, this is our spring onions. You have to drain it well afterwards. And now we have to put our brown sugar, sesame oil, rice vinegar, bit of salt, and pepper paste. You can add more, this is optional, okay? And just mix it together. Next one is we have carrots. This is organic, so I could eat the whole, so I don't need to peel it. And you just have to cut it in lengthwise. So you have to cut the carrots lengthwise, like that. Bit of garlic, brown sugar, salt, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and pepper paste. Just have to mix it all together. Sesame seeds. I'm running out of sesame seeds, to be honest. It would be great if you have plenty of this. Pepper paste, soybean paste, soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, and just mix it together. Morning, baby. Now we are just going to transfer all of the sauce here for our barbecue later. There you go. These are all the kimchi that I made. The cucumber, spring onions, carrots, and this is our dippings. That's our lettuce, and that's the grilled meat. And I got some rice here that we are going to open up. There you go. It's our rice. So I just put a bit of rice onto my lettuce. Next one, I'm going to choose which kimchi should I use. Right. I fancy some spring onions, lettuce here, and a bit of cucumber as well. There you go. It died, is it? And a bit of these carrots. You wiping it? Yeah. There you go. It's so yummy.